What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I finally going to change the screen on my iPhone 11. Now, if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and check out my iPhone 6 screen replacement video. I think it was pretty good. I did pretty good on that video for my first time changing my iPhone screen. But now I'm going to change the iPhone screen on this, and along with the iPhone screen, we have the charger port. So after my first year of owning this, my charger port stopped working. Now, that of course is not due to my fault. Of course, this cracked screen is all my fault, okay? The cracked screen, of course, is my fault. But the charger port, of course, was not my fault. The charger port just don't charge. So ever since the iPhone 11 came out, whatever year that was, y'all can remind me of that. Yeah, it stopped working after the first year of this phone coming out. So we are here, and we are going to change out both. So this will be two reviews in one. Basically, I will be reviewing the screen, and I will be reviewing the charger port. Alright, you guys, and on top of that, I want to get rid of this phone, and I am done with Apple. If you want to know why I'm done with Apple, just stay to the end of the video, or I might make another video, but just stay tuned and you will know why I'm done with Apple. Alright, here we go. And we are oops, cut into that. Okay, so we get tools in this kit, and I seen that when we was purchasing this. And we get the lovely screen, which is nicely packaged. Alright, so I do have the tools from my old set. Well, not old set, but the set that I used to change my iPhone 6 screen. And I still use my iPhone 6 as a dash camera, so that's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Now, let's go ahead and see how to open this thing. I didn't want to damage anything. Ooh. Ooh. Now we have this, and I don't know what is it for. Maybe it was for protecting that while it was in the packet. We have something else. Let's see. It says peel off mask before application. Alright, so this must be a screen protector. This one is just there, but this one feel like plastic, so I think this is a plastic screen. So I'm gonna leave that to the side for now. And here we go. We have our iPhone 11 screen. Alright, don't seem that bad. Got this tape right here. Alright, that's the cover. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take apart my phone, so I'm going to power it off. Alright, you guys, so let me go ahead and take this out the box. This is iPhone 11 charger port is right here. Seems like a lot of components. Hopefully it's not too much. Alright, let me see. Oh, looks about the same. Guess we will fact check that once we're done. Alright, let's get into this breakdown. Alright, you guys, I just don't get it. Every time I look for a light, I can't find it. I can't find none of my headlamps right now. Might be in my car. So right now I am going to use my lantern. Okay. If you haven't seen the lantern review, go check it out. I'll leave a link. Alright, hopefully that's not messing up with y'all sight on it. Take the bottom two screws off. and I am surprised that I picked the right driver. Maybe I should have brought in my magnet tray. I'll see if I need to get it or not. Then I will have to get up again. Right, 2 screws. Now, alright. Usually 2 screws, so let's see if we can get this thing out of here. And also, you guys, this don't come with instructions on how to take it apart, so if you need to, look up a YouTube video, even though you're looking at this one probably, but you can look up a YouTube video before you do this. That's what I did for the iPhone 6. I didn't look up a video for this one, so if I come into a rough spot, I will look it up. Let's see if this works. And this is not budging at all. Oh. Okay, so this phone wants to play tough guy, but we're gonna get it out of here. Let's try this. So this is the top. Oh lordy. All right, you guys, so I was already about 17 minutes in, and to be honest with y'all, these little tools here is not getting into this crack of this screen, and as you can see on here, this is already messed up. So I went to get me a razor, and be careful with this. Make sure you use gloves, cut resistant gloves, proper PPE with a razor blade. This is a old razor blade, so I'm not really too worried, but I could still cut my finger. But with this, I can get into the crack of this. Now, I saw one video, the guy said make sure your phone is like 20 something percent, and my phone is actually at 90%, so hopefully my phone don't explode on me. Okay, you guys, so this is the final review of the iPhone screen. Unfortunately, the other half of my video would not upload for some reason. I don't know. I'm not a super tech guy, so I can't tell you why stuff gets corrupted or not. But anyways, I want to say 1 or 2 things about the screen. So when you replace the screen, you will get a message. The message went away. You will get something there that will say, there's a message basically saying that it identifies the screen as being a non-Apple product screen. All right, I don't know the exact message on there because I didn't screenshot it or nothing, but it will be right there, and now it's not there. So I don't know, maybe after a couple of weeks it goes away. I don't know. The second thing is I dropped this 5 times already. I can't believe I dropped this thing like 5 times face to the ground, and guess what? The screen is still good and clear. So the screen from this product that I bought on Amazon, link will definitely be in the description, but it did not crack yet. Now, do I see a difference in screen color and stuff like that? No, I still watch YouTube videos at 1080 and beyond, and it still look like the same quality to me. All right. And 3, the hardest thing about changing this screen was taking the screen off. that video right there was like over an hour to take the screen off. As y'all saw, I even used a razor blade. I used everything that I could to get the screen off. Now, for the iPhone 6 screen replacement, this was so easy than this was. So I can't even imagine what an iPhone 13 or 14 screen replacement would be just to get off. It was insane and crazy. And yeah, so that's about it. So that's the final review. One thing I could say about the screen is it's good, and I did that so I can go ahead and if I need to trade in the phone, I'll trade it in. I'm actually looking at the Google Pixel 7 right now. I don't know if I'm going back to Apple phones. I do like the tablet, so tablet is an option, you know. But as far as Apple phones, I might be done. Yeah, it might be the end of an era for me. The other hard thing to do is to put this. That's a message. Another hard thing to do is to put this charger port on. So from what I seen when I had the phone open, that this charger port looks different than the port inside. So I'm not sure if this is the right charger port or not. So I will have to do more research. I might have to return this charger port just to see if another one is different. So I will look at this and I will look online to see if there's any difference. If there's no difference, then I will just go ahead and put this charger port on it and call it a day. But other than that, that's the end of this review for this iPhone screen replacement. Hope y'all like it. If you did, leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button plus that notification bell so you can be notified on products that's coming to the channel. Catch y'all in the next video.